Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. You know guys, I decided to help that people who want to train their hands to do perfect, long, beautiful gel nails, but they have a problem. The common problem of people who want to learn this technique, of course, models. You don't have people to practice on their nails. You don't have anyone. This would be the great decision for you guys to solve this problem and to practice every day, listen to the music, practicing, train your hand to do beautiful gel nails. So let's get started. Now I have fixed the plastic ring palette for the gel polish. I have fixed it on my finger, and with the other hand, I'm a right-hander. I'm taking the form and placing it right under that tip. It will seem not so easy for the first time, but after 5 or 6 times you will place it much easier. For training your hand, I suggest you to use the sculpting mix gel. You can order the sculpting mix gel and the clear gel, the small container of clear gel of 18 milliliters. So now you see me on the video mixing one gel to the other. No matter in what equal you mix them, this way we just achieve the semi-transparent effect of this gel product. It will be cured much faster. You can see that we have such beautiful tone which looks so natural. It's practically the tone and the color of the natural nail plate. A lot of clients ask me to do the natural effect, and this is exactly that tone. When we mix dress code nude sculpting mix gel with a clear gel. For doing this tutorial, guys, you need the powerful LED lamp, for example 36 watts. And I think, guys, this is the smart way of training your hand. When I started giving online courses, I faced with a problem when my students didn't have models and people to practice on. Now you see me applying the first layer of this mixed gel product, and of course you should do everything layer by layer. You apply the first layer, cure it in LED lamp. After we apply the second layer. The layers should be thick, because the product has medium consistency and it can be leaked, and if it flows it will be the longer time to shape it, and so you will be tired to shape even one nail. So I suggest you guys to apply one layer to the other nail after the other nail, and try to place more product into the gapes, into the low areas, and make them higher. Just flatten the area of the nail, make it smoother, and you should always examine your motions. If you do something wrong, try to correct it. Maybe some nail masters can say that it's impossible to train the hand this way. I don't agree with you guys. I think that the main mistake of students, of course, when sculpting nails and shaping nails, and any way of sculpting nails, no matter on tips, on training hands, on such ring palettes, no matter what you do, everything you do is training your hand. So you will do one nail, 10 nails, 100 nails, and the following nail will be better than your first nail, and no matter what way do you choose to train your hand. Now you see that my nail is practically in good condition, so we just need to place the gel in some areas and curve these layers in 1 minute in LED lamp. It's better to use the vintage gel for the sculpting mix gel. So these two products, they just friends and they work in the couple. I always use the vintage gel brush for sculpting nails and my nails are becoming smooth and they have beautiful shapes. It's much easier to shape them. Now we guys only need to remove the tacky layer using the cleaner or the rubbing alcohol. And now I'm going to show you how I shape this ring palette. This tutorial will be very useful for millions of people who don't have models or friends to train on hands. People just don't want to waste their time to sitting on your training hours, so you can do it by yourself. And if you want to know how I learned, for example, one stroke technique, I just sat at my home and practicing by my own, and nobody helped me. I just practicing all the time. And how much time you spend on the practicing, everything depends on it. And I think that if you make hundreds of such nails, it would be much easier for you to do the set of gel nails. Of course, there are differences between doing nails on tips or on ring palettes and on real clients, but this process teaches you to be accurate, to be neat. The main thing, you start understanding the architecture of the gel nail. You have a lot of time to solve your problems, your mistakes. You can twist the tip from one side to the other, steadily look on these nails, and just examine what's wrong and what's correct. Of course, the longest time takes the process of shaping this nail, and I think that if you learn how to sculpt nails perfectly, and if you work with the correct products like sculpting mix gel by Shape of Nail, in this case it would be much easier for you to shape nails, because as you saw on the beginning of the video, I have sculpted good shape of the nails, so we didn't have a lot of bouncings to shape them for a long period, for a long time. So I don't waste my time on shaping nails. I just slightly moving my nail file and achieve the ideal shape of the ballerine shape of the nail. Of course, you should create the perfect architecture of the nail. You should always leave the stress zone and never shape too much product in this area. This stress zone, it protects from the breaking. It's on the natural nail, and of course the arch on the length of the nail, it creates the elegant effect, and of course it also protects nail for the breaking. Just imagine if we make the tube from the sheet of the paper, it would be impossible to bend it than the whole list of the paper. If you want guys to learn more from me, I have online classes. You can order the full class on shapeofnail.com and attend 10 video lessons where I'm showing you how to do gel nails on real clients. I give a lot of schemes, show you how to do difficult shapes of the nails, give you all my experience, on all my knowledge. On the 10th lesson you pass the exam and I send you certificate, official certificate that you can work with the client. Now guys, I'm going to show you how to use the control bit for the gel product removal from underneath of the nail plate to create the perfect arch. It's also very important process because you should always remove the natural nail, the client's natural nail. The matter is that it can be lifted, or the dirt and bacteria can be placed between the natural and extended nail, and it causes inflammations and other processes. So it would be much better to if you remove the natural nail from underneath of the nail plate. And of course the conjure bead will definitely help you with it. After that, please don't forget to take the nail file and apply fine shaping or correction of the length. Just because it's becoming very sharp, it should be blunted, a little bit blunted and flattened. You know guys, I like process of buffering of the nail because after that it's becoming smooth, and when you draw something on nails, it's much better to draw on the matte surface. I can give you the better tip to use the adorable matte top coat from shapeofnail.com before painting on the nail. In the next tutorial tomorrow I'm going to show you how to use this top coat. We need to achieve the ideal surface for placing the painting. I never want to my strokes to be leaked or spoiled with a sharpened layer. That's why I need the ideal matte coat, but the gloss coat is not suitable just because the gel products and the acrylic paint is leaking and flowing on the gloss surface. You know, when it's no need to shape the nail with the buffer too much. I'm just going to show you how perfectly we can buff the nail plate, but it's not need to shape so fanatically. So guys, if you want to order this training kit, I give you the link under the video so you can find all products on shapeofnail.com. Very soon guys, the new warehouse would be opened in Ireland, and now I'm receiving payments in Ireland. You can pay using PayPal system. So guys, I'm getting closer to you, and very soon shipping will take about 2 days from Ireland to European countries, and about 1 week to the United States or the Canada. Now you see me applying the expert base gel. Why do I do that? Just because it would be the better layer before placing the color. I always use the base gel even on the gel nails because it's much easier to place the color very close to cuticles. I mean, the product never flows into cuticles, it perfectly stays on the base coat. Let's just take a look on the result. You can use any color you like. For example, I have tried this exotic neon green color. Do you like this idea? Do you like this color? Would you have ever this color on your nails? Let me know down in the comments. See you tomorrow guys. Bye.